Hey guys, Mo Rider here. Welcome back to another vlog. And I want to show you guys around my farm. This is my cat, Little Gray. Well, actually, our cat, Little Gray. My family's cat. Right now he's trying to get his little snack. Before I was just sleeping on there. And this is our dog, Puppy. I don't understand why we named him Puppy. We just did. Yeah. And I gotta do my chicken chores because we got chickens down. And we also got goats. I'm gonna get our chicken feed thing. It's to feed the chickens and get the eggs. And get the eggs out of the bucket. It's a little pink bucket. See it in a second. So this is the little pink bucket that we put food in. Hi, Gray Gray. Hey, baby. Too sweet. So yeah, and now I gotta fill it up with this food. Ugh, stop it, puppy. Let's just do that. Doesn't take that long because it's big scoops. Like 3 scoops. Actually, like 3 1/4, I'd say. Okay. So that's our chicken food. Now over here is where our chickens are. Gotta unlock this. Put that down. Got 2 locks. Now I let them out. They came raging after me. Ow! That hen just pecked my butt. Okay. You're scaring me. Wow. Look at that. This rooster right over here, his name is Joe. He's our big rooster. Our big rooster. And over here is where the eggs are. Here's the eggs. Over there. No, down there. So we got 2, 4, 6, 7 eggs. That's almost like a half a dozen. By the way, if you don't know, a half a dozen is 12 eggs. And this is one I named Prince Charming. He's a rooster. And these hens are over here trying to get a drink. Hi, pretties. Hi, cuties. Baby. You're so cute, little black baby. Hi, pretties. Hey, puppy. Yeah, I love our chickens because they're so cute. And we also have to close this up so our goats don't come and eat our food. I'm going to put these in. I'm going to show you our goats. Mom, we got 7 eggs. We got 7 eggs. Yep, fed them.
Okay, Ellen, listen.
Hurry up!
The water is empty. Take it out and put it on the sidewalk.
Okay. And now we gotta. These 2 roosters are the brothers. I gotta take out the water because it's empty. They need water, also die. Okay. Now I'm going to go see our goats, which are right over here. Hey, Ziggy! This black one right here is Ziggy. This one's Soka. And this one is Woody. There are goats. These 2, Ziggy and Woody, are boys, and this one, Soka, is a girl. The boys are fixed, so they don't make babies. And we also had another goat. Her name was Calypso, but she died. We don't know. She had like a worm in her stomach. So she might have like starved to death or died from old age. Pretty old. And this rooster right over here likes to attack us a lot. You see when he does that? When he does that pecking at the ground kind of stuff, that means he wants to try attacking you. So he's threatening to attack me right now. Yeah. And I can see that little black, little... Don't be threatening me! Okay. And this little baby right over there is stuck over at the outside of the fence. Also, if you're wondering why that scooter's in there, it's because my little brother Gio, he has ADD, he's kind of... oh, yeah. But he asked me to... So I was like kind of running around, he was like, stop it! And I was like... And so I stopped, and I was holding it up, and I was walking around, and he said, are you going to throw that in the chicken area? And I said, do you want me to? And he said, yeah. So I threw it in. Yeah. And that's my farm. Oh, yeah. Don't forget little Gray. I think I already showed you him at the beginning of the video. I already know I did. You're such a fuzzy. I love you. So sweet. You're so sweet. So sweet. What's that doggy doing? Oh, hey, watch this. Let me just do this. Okay. Bang! Good boy! This is a 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 good puppy! This is a good puppy! This is a good puppy! This is a good boy! Yeah. Oh, you're a good boy. Please like and subscribe for more. I love you. I love you, puppy. He licked my ear. He gave me a wet willy. Oh, what's this pig? Okay. Yeah, so that's my farm. Bye. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.